Hello, friends. This is Deepak, and I wanted to kind of give you quick updates as to some of the deadlines that are coming up very, very soon. I want to make sure that you don't miss out on those deadlines. Second, I want to talk to you about a business opportunity webinar that's coming up very, very soon, probably this week. And then I want to talk about some of the other events that are coming up in the month of February. So let's get started. First of all, deadlines. Number one thing that you need to really make sure that gets done right now is issuing your 1099. So if you're a business owner and you paid somebody more than $600 last year and you paid them by cash or check, you need to issue them 1099. If they're S Corp, C Corp, you don't have to do that. But if they're sole prop partnership, whatnot, you got to issue them 1099. Now, I have a detailed video on this subject matter, so you can check that on YouTube. But the key point is issue those 1099 before the end of the year. Not everybody needs to receive a 1099, but anyhow, check out that video. That will give you a lot of details about who should receive it, who shouldn't receive it. What's the deadline, which is January 31st, and severe penalties if you don't do this. So please do take care of that. If you are our clients, obviously reach out to us, let us know who we need to issue that 1099 to, and we will electronically get that done for you right away because we only have a few days left. So that's number one. Number second is you guys know that this year is the new Corporate Transparency Act. That means if you set up an LLC this year, you need to make sure you file the BOI report. Now, BOI report, it also requires a lot of information, but it's an informational report. That means if you don't file it, once again, huge penalties, even includes jail term of up to 2 years for not filing. So very serious matter. So please make sure you do that. And if you want to learn more about it, just go to YouTube channel and search for that. We have a video on that one as well. So those two are major deadlines. Third one is prepare your tax documents, especially if you're a business owner. You guys don't understand for small businesses, we need to do your bookkeeping. We need to make sure your payroll reports are in order. We need to prepare for your tax strategies. So we have a lot of work to do. So please work with us. Get those documents to us as soon as possible. Don't make us wait till last minute. If you work with us, we can provide you good service. We can help you out. But if you wait till last minute, I'm going to get busy. Our staff going to get busy, and that's just not a right time to rush all the items through. So please help us out. Get those documents to us. Let's get your tax returns filed ASAP. So that's my third reminder for this month. Let's see now. What are some of the events that are coming up in the month of business opportunity, right? I promised you about that. So Safari Kids, I think international or India, one of those two, that's what they call it. But Safari Kids is a preschool franchise here in the United States, and they also have a presence in India. And they are looking for, franchisees who wants to partner up with them and expand in India. Fairly low cost franchise. It's completely passive. They do all the work, and you just kind of sit back, relax, and collect your passive income from them. It's really that simple. So I have invited their CEO to come on a webinar so he can talk about the opportunity and share all that information with you. So we're going to do that probably either this Friday, and I sent out a poll to all the people who had expressed interest. So if they like Saturday better, maybe we'll do Saturday morning. So either Friday evening or Saturday morning, but that's basically going to happen this Friday. So we're talking about either 26th or 27th. So keep that in mind because some of you guys might be watching this video in March. And if you missed the webinar, then reach out to me. If you're interested in that opportunity, then I can definitely connect you with them. But one thing I do want to remind out, whenever you're trying to make a big decision, whether it's as simple as buying an annuity, insurance, buying a business in the US, or doing any kind of transaction, I strongly recommend that you at least do a consultation appointment with us and let us understand your situation and give us our unbiased opinion. That 30 minutes or an hour consultation can save you a lot of headaches. So please don't try to cut it short and try to make those deals happen. But if you want to talk to their CEO, I can definitely connect you with them, and then let's see where it goes. So that's another one that's coming up. Then I have a financial outlook call. So those of you guys who are new to my channel and have not really done any business with me, every 2 weeks I do this for my clients where I collect all bunch of financial data and I say it as it is. So why did I do that? So what was happening is every year I will meet with people who will say, "Oh, I made some good money in financial markets. I did not make good money in my markets. I lost money. all kind of stuff, right? And then slowly I start to learn that the people who are really good at analyzing data, they were good long-term investors. They were able to make some good outcomes out of acting based on data. Versus other people would make a lot of money in 1 year, then they'll lose it the second year, then they'll make the money in the other year. So you never really know. So I thought, you know what? Why not I collect all the data and just share it with everyone and let them decide what they want to do. So that's the purpose of that call. And I'm not talking about all bunch of news. You can get that from wherever you get your news from these days. I'm talking about really hardcore stats, hardcore numbers. And these numbers are available to general public. They're not secret. It's just that we don't get to see them because we are always busy with, you know, um, somebody trying to either scare us or make us greedy, one of those two. So, anyhow, if you want to join that meeting, that's going to happen next Friday. So we are, let me see. So that'll be 2nd of March, and then we do it every 2 weeks. So if you want to join that, there's a link right here at the bottom. You can click on that and join that meeting and see how you like it. Most people who join it, they fall in love with it. They absolutely send me, a lot of gratitude, a lot of thanks, and I love helping you guys out. So please come to that one. The week after that, so this is February 2nd, right? So we're going to do it on February 9th. On February 9th, we're going to do a real estate webinar. So we're going to look at a lot of real estate data. So that's going to be coming up. And by the way, all my calls are discussion calls. So I present you with the data and then we hash it out together. So it's not just only me. We talk about it together and see what we can do. So that's the second thing coming up. And then we have a live seminar that's going to be happening on February 24th. That's going to be in Milpitas, California. So those of you guys who are in the Bay Area, then our website there is sanjeevcpa.com. You can go there and register there. And then after that, we're going to have events in Austin, Dallas, and Houston towards the end of February, beginning of March. Those you can find out on taxcodeadvisors.com. I think we're still waiting on deciding on venue for those. So those are some of the events, some of the deadlines, some of the opportunities that are coming up. So I invite you to please stay in touch with us. Let's see what we can do to help you out. In the meanwhile, if you're a small business owner or you're an individual, you want us to help you out with your taxes, we're all yours. Give us a call, set up an appointment, and let's get you taken care of. Thank you so much for staying with me and watching this video. I'm looking forward to talking to you in person very, very soon. Thank you.